Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install iOS 27 update in your iPhone. So as you guys can see here, this is my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the device which are supported with iOS 27 is iPhone 11 and the later on devices like iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 series, right? So you won't be able to install this update in iPhone XS, XR, or iPhone XS Max, right? So make sure you do not try that because they're not supported. Even they're not supported with iOS 26. So easy thing, the devices which are compatible with iOS 26, they can be updated to iOS 27 as well. Simple. So let's begin with the process how you can install iOS 27 in your any iPhone. This process is very easy. You just have to follow me. Just follow this guide and you will be able to install this update for free in 1 minute, under 1 minute. So open Safari browser and just search for Apple Beta and search for this. Go to first website Apple Beta, and here you guys can see how it's 27. It says coming soon because it's not officially released yet. Like it's not for public yet. It's not publicly released. It's in beta stages. So hit on get started, and now hit on enroll your iOS device here. Click on that option, and now swipe up and hit on open beta updates. So your iPhone may show you the face ID to enter your to verify your face ID or enter your Apple ID password. So just hit open beta updates and it will redirect you to the settings of the iPhone. So by default it should have check mark on the off button, you guys can see, like this one. But and you have to select the iOS 27 developer beta, and that's it. That was the whole simple thing. When you just hit back, you will see iOS 27 beta update in your iPhone. You can just simply update this iPhone to iOS 27 beta first. Just make sure you just back up everything before you update because it can end up losing your data because it's in beta stages, so everything can go wrong and your iPhone can break up. So make sure you just back up your data and then try and install this update. So that was the whole simple process. I hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.